Quality is always on point because you have to have integrity in your job.
Quality to me means meeting and exceeding my expectation.
And I mean, especially in here, we build ships for the Navy, so quality is kind of everything.
Quality means following procedure and doing it right the first time.
Everything. It matters with the integrity in your work, being responsible and making sure you keep up with what the job is given to you. It's quality also, you got to ask questions to make sure you're doing it the right way.
Quality means having pride in what you do and having integrity and doing everything right the first time.
What quality means to me is taking these new mechanics, the next generation of mechanics, and building them up and giving them a solid foundation so they can build and grow on once they get to the waterfront.
Quality means doing something right the first time, making sure that everything comes out like it should be.
Doing the job right, no matter who's watching, doing your job right, making sure you're paying attention to what you do, caring for what you do.
Quality to me means just the safety of our Navy personnel.
Quality means keeping our country safe.
Quality matters because the men and women on these aircraft carriers and these submarines depend upon us, and America depends upon us.
Quality means excellence, means getting the job done right the first time.
It is a heavy weight, but it's one that needs to be shouldered by anyone that's willing to take up that mantle.
I mean, my quality goes with my signature. If my name's going on it, it's going to be the best I can do.
First time quality, getting it right the first time.
Quality to me means a lot because I'm a bit of a perfectionist and I love doing things to the best of my ability.
My daughter's now in the Navy and she's serving, so what we do here in quality the first time around means 1,000 times more to me.
It does matter. I mean, lives are at stake here. I mean, we try to support our troops and give them the best, ships that we can build. Quality is everything.